Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of November. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You can make it a subscription, but you don't have to. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and then you're going to fill out your style profile and give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items could be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home. You're going to decide what you like and what you don't like, and if you keep at least 1 item from the box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to the cost of that item. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 is if you decide to keep nothing from the box, and then that becomes your styling fee for that box. This month I did request some clothes for work. You know, I'm a school teacher, so I'm constantly wearing like kind of business casual clothing, and so I did request a cardigan if she could send me one. And so we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up your box, they are promoting their Shop Your Looks. It says explore your very own shop. You get a free return mailer bag. This is for sending back anything that you don't want to keep. And if you decide to exchange any items, then you'll put those items in this bag. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're going to see an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is $6.27 for me. And you're also going to get this Oh Hello card, and this is your style card, and it also has a note from your stylist. And so I'll read my note real quick. It says, "Happy Fix Day, Jennifer. It was a pleasure styling for you today. I picked out some beautiful pieces that I'm excited for you to see. You'll find this fix is exactly what you requested. Fall-inspired items in neutrals, and I snagged you a pair of straight leg pants in a longer inseam in a lovely purple shade. What do you think? I know they're a little higher in price, but I think you'll enjoy adding them to your closet. And I've included a lavish floral blouse to pair with them and a lightweight cardigan to layer over since your classroom can be a bit chilly. Unfortunately, I didn't have any luck with a pair of black booties. I have been looking for a pair of black booties, and she hasn't been able to find them yet. But I will keep my eyes open for your next fix. Have you had the chance to check out your curated shop feature on our app or website? It's a great way to snag pieces that complement what I've already sent. Cheers, Kara." And so here's my style card. And I love how they give you outfit suggestions to go with those items, and so that's really nice. And so this is the item I picked up in the Shop Your Looks. Like I said, they gave me $20, and I couldn't pass up buying something with their $20. But I had received this lush, worn split neck blouse in a different print, in like an animal print in a previous box. And so I loved the green with the floral, and I don't mind the tab sleeves. And it's just a polyester blouse, which has a high-low hemline, and it's just perfect for wearing to school as a teacher. And here is a look at my bundle. There's those purple pants, and you got some really soft items in there. On the top, I have the pink Gina crew neck pullover in burnt orange. This is a soft sweater. It's got that color blocking. It's got the burnt orange and the cream and the mustard and like a darker gray. The only thing I'm not sure about is how the like little cuffs are kind of rolled, and it also has that kind of like rolled hem down here. We'll see what I think about that. But very soft. Looks like it'd be perfect for fall. I like that. Next is by Market and Spruce, the Halls Brush Knit 2-pocket cardigan in light gray. Ooh, and this is what was really soft inside the box. And it's like a heathered gray. It does have like a, I guess you would call that like a ribbed front. You got the bottom down here, you got some pockets. Very soft material. And I like that it's just a nice heathered gray, which would kind of pair with lots of different items. So. And I like that it has like the cuff at the end for your arms. So it looks like it'll be a good length, like that. Next is the pink Clover Valencia curved hem pullover, and it says it's in taupe. And this is nice and stretchy and soft. Not as soft as the cardigan, but it has like a, I guess it's a black stripe on a taupe background. It's got like a little cuffed sleeve there. It's got the rounded curved hem. I'm not sure how I feel about those rounded hems like that, so we'll have to see what I think about that. Next is by Brina and M, the Lemmy V-neck top in gray. This is the floral blouse. It's kind of thin. Feels like it might be rayon. Let's check that out. 100% rayon, which I don't mind rayon, but I just hate how wrinkly it gets. But this is what she suggested to put with the purple pants. It is pretty wrinkly coming out of the box, but I love a floral print, and it's got like a orange, navy, yellow on a gray background. It has, oh, a button, just a button sleeve here. It does have the button up here to roll it up, but I'm just not loving how wrinkly it is. I prefer polyester just because I don't have to steam it or iron it, but it does have a nice length, and I think it'll go well with those pants. So we'll try that on. And then the pants, let's hope that they're long enough. This is the 41 Hawthorne Becca adjustable hem straight leg pant in purple, size 10, and I have been between sizes. It's a really pretty shade of purple, I love that, but it still might be a little bit short. It says it's an adjustable hem. Oh, okay, so I see some buttons inside the hem. All right, so that'll be interesting to try on. So next I'm gonna do the try on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with that Shop Your Looks item, and it's just a really pretty green. Like I said, I don't own a lot of green, but it does have a really nice floral print. I think it would pair well with navy pants, black pants. I don't mind the roll tab sleeves, so I think it's just a good top for wearing to school as a teacher. So I'll be right back with my items from my fix. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the Brina and M, the Lemmy V-neck top in gray, and it's a pretty print. What I don't like is that it's made out of 100% rayon, and this is the type of rayon material that gets really, really wrinkly. So if I steam it and I wear it, it's gonna wrinkle throughout the day. So I'm not a big fan of that. I do like the split neck here. I've got one sleeve down and one rolled up. I like it both ways. So I'm just not sure that I love the fabric, because you can see just how wrinkly it is. And I just don't enjoy materials that are high maintenance like that. So on the bottom, I have the 41 Hawthorne Becca straight leg adjustable hem pant in purple. First off, it's a little bit big. I'm in between sizes. I think I need to size down on my profile to an 8. Love the color. Problem is it hits me at that weird length for me. I'm 5'10" tall. I need a 33 or 34 inch inseam, because if not, it hits me at what I would consider to be an awkward length. If I put booties on, it just doesn't look right. So I'm not sure that I love the length of these pants. And they are pretty pricey. I think they're $88, which I don't mind paying that if I love the length of the pants. But the last few times I've gotten pants that hit like a weird length, and I just don't love that. So, but you guys tell me what you think. All right, I'll be back with the next couple of items. All right, guys, I'm back with the next item, and I threw this cardigan over like she suggested, and this is the Market and Spruce Halls Brush Knit 2-pocket cardigan in light gray, and it is very soft. I did request a cardigan. I like that it has pockets. I like that it's lightweight. It is very, very soft. I think it looks good with the way it's paired, but the cardigan is very nice. Perfect for my classroom, because it gets cold and then it gets hot. And so I kind of need a lightweight cardigan that I can throw over stuff. So I think the cardigan is going to be a keeper. I'll be right back with the next sweater. All right, guys, I'm back with the first sweater, and this is the Pink Clover Valencia curved hem pullover in taupe. And I just left on the purple pants. So it has a good sleeve length. It is soft. It's a thin pullover. It has just a black stripe. Just a basic cute pullover. It has this curved hem. It does come down slightly longer in the back, so the length is good for me. Just a very nice basic pullover, would pair well with black pants or jeans. So you guys tell me what you think. I'll be right back with the last sweater. All right guys, I'm back with the last sweater, and this is the Pinque Gina crew neck pullover in burnt orange, and it's this color block sweater. The sleeve length is good. It's very soft. It does have these kind of like where the cuffs want to roll, but it's meant to look that way because it's kind of stitched right there to give it that rolled appearance, which doesn't seem to be bothering me as much as I thought it would. Has that on the bottom as well. I do like color blocked sweaters. So it's one length, doesn't have a high-low or anything like that. I think it would pair well with black jeans or a darker pair of blue jeans. So you guys tell me what you think. I guess we'll get back and do a recap here in just a second. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap. First off on the list is the Market and Spruce Halls Brush Knit 2-Pocket Cardigan in gray. And this cardigan is super soft. And like I said, I'm a teacher, so this is perfect for me to put on in my classroom. My classroom temperatures go from like Arctic to sauna. And so I need something lightweight that I can throw over my outfits to keep me warm when it gets chilly in my classroom. And the cost of that cardigan is $44, which I don't think is a bad price. Next, oh, I was so disappointed about these. I love the color of these pants. This is the 41 Hawthorne Becca straight leg adjustable hem pant in purple, size 10. I did need to size down to a size 8, but that length, it just hits me at an awkward length, and even when I tried to adjust the hem to make it shorter, it just looked even more awkward. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to keep these because I don't like that ankle length on me. And so the cost of these were $88, and I'll be sending those back. Next was the pink Clover Valencia curved hem pullover and taupe. And this was just a cute little striped pullover, and I think it's gonna be a keeper. It's $44. Here's the other disappointment. I don't mind rayon, but when it's like that super wrinkly, like my husband actually laughed at me when he saw it because he knows I can't stand wrinkles. It's really thin, it's really soft. If you don't mind doing all the ironing and the steaming, but I think it's one of those types of shirts that when you do steam it, it's gonna wrinkle throughout the day. And so I like the floral print. It's just those wrinkles, I just cannot do that. And so this was $39. It's the cheapest item, but I think it's gonna be too much work to keep all the wrinkles out of it. And then the last was the Gina crew neck pullover by Pinque and burnt orange. And so this is a nice fall sweater, and it's soft and it'll pair well with jeans or pants for work. And so the cost of it is $44. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $259. To buy all discount would take off $64.75, which brings my order subtotal to $194.25. I don't have the credit for the styling fee because I have the style pass, and so that would be my final cost. And like I said, this is not going to be a 5 out of 5. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sending back the pants and that rayon top by Brina and M. But you guys tell me what you think. I love to hear your comments and your feedback and tell me what you thought. I always forget to say to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe if you like videos like this. I do a monthly Stitch Fix unboxing, plus I unbox my husband's Stitch Fix and my daughter's Stitch Fix boxes too. I'll leave a referral link in the description box below. If you would like to try Stitch Fix, it should give you $25 off your first fix, which would basically waive your styling fee and then give you $25 to spend on whatever you decide to keep in your box. My husband has had a $50 referral link, and if that is still active, I will put that in the description box as well. And like I said, leave me your feedback. Let me know what you thought about my fix this month. I am a little disappointed. I hate to say it, but there's always next month. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.